Hi guys, this is me hajra.vadhariya and welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a tutorial on this gorgeous, stunning, dark brown smoky eye. Oh my god, I love how this look turned out. So gorgeous and so stunning. So if you guys want to learn how I achieve this look, keep on watching. And if you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my Instagram, and let's just jump right in. So starting off with my eye cream, this is my Origins eye cream. Oh my god, you guys, eye cream's your best friend, and especially in winters. And if you're dry skin, you can also use it in summer. It's gonna change your concealer game, you guys. It just is amazing if you do use it before your makeup. Following up with a good moisturizer, I'm using Clinique's gel moisturizer. This is for oily skin, but it also comes in a lotion form for dry skin, and this is an amazing moisturizer, you guys, my best friend in my winters. Oh my god, so I'm massaging it really nicely into my skin. I'm gonna let it sit and do our brows. So I'm using my NYX micro brow pencil. So I love to use a pencil first to shape my brows. That is what I'm doing, shaping them. Again, I do not like my brows to be super dark, super curved, super sharp. No, I like them natural looking. I like when my skin peeks through. Now I'm using the spoolie, brushing it in. Later on, to fill in the brows, I'm using Brow in number 4, using this Morphe spoolie and just filling it in. So I use a pencil to shape first and then fill in with any gel. You can see my in-depth eyebrow tutorial on my YouTube. Go search and you'll easily find it. So just filling in my brows, again, not super dark or not super sharp or sculpted. No, I do not like my brows really heavy. So this is how they look. I like it this way. So yeah, next, starting with my primer, I'm using Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. Now this is a really good primer. It really smooths out your skin and it makes your skin looks gorgeous, but I do not think that it's worth a lot of money, because something like this comes in many alternatives which are amazing and much cheaper. This is amazing. If you want to buy it, if you like this, if you want to buy it, go ahead. I do like it, but if you do not want to invest in something expensive, we have good alternatives in cheaper rates. So after this, using Becca's corrector. This I like to use on my pimples, red spots if you have any. Nowadays I'm breaking out a lot. I don't know why the hell, but I'm breaking out. So I just dot it on my pimples and using my ring finger, slightly diffuse it. Do not blend it totally, because color correctors are not meant to be blended totally, otherwise there's no use to use a color corrector. After this, jumping on to my hourglass stick foundation. I really like this foundation. It works really good in winters and summers both. For my skin, it's working really good. So just drawing little dots and using a damp beauty blender from Beautify by Amna, quickly blending it all over. Now on my under eyes and my eyes, I will just put a very thin layer just to tone it down and make like a single tone, because later we are using a concealer, so I don't want thick layers. So using my concealer after this, which is my Born This Way concealer from Too Faced in the shade light beige. So just dotting it on my lids, my under eyes, and this on my nose, center of my brows, to highlight, conceal with the beauty blender. That's how I like it. Now I'm using my loose powder from Huda Beauty. Oh my god, this easy big powder is so good. I'm in the shade Cupcake. This is the only shade that I have, you guys. This is so bomb. I really wish to stock up more shades. Oh my god, you guys, I just set my entire face with it, my lids, under eyes. I love how it works on my oily skin. It's so gorgeous. It makes your skin look so good. Taking off my excess powder with my Beautify by Amna's brush. Next step, I'm going to be using my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. This makes your skin look so flawless. Now I'm using my Lilah Bees Aglow Face Mist. I'm going to be spraying a little bit on my beauty blender, tapping off excess on the back of my hand and pressing everything onto my skin. It's gonna melt and set everything and make it look gorgeous. Literally, you can use it on top of creams, powders, both. After that, now it's time for eye makeup. Using my Prism palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I've picked up 3 shades together for my crease. transition brown all together. If you're a beginner, make sure you go one by one with each shade. So I'm using this dual-sided brush from Anastasia, putting the 3 shades in my crease, blending it really, 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 really nicely. Then with the smudger side, I'm taking the brown shade that I have used with other shade in my crease as well, but I'm just using this on its own now on the outer corners and in the inner corners to give depth and dimension, and it will make like a nice halo in the center, blending everything out really nicely. Using my MAC Give Me Sun bronzer for my nose contour real quick. I love a sharp nose contour, looks so gorgeous. So make sure when you're doing this, you have your foundation brush or your beauty blender along with you to set everything in place. So yeah, next I am taking the black shade. I'm gonna just put in the center of the lid where we create like a halo, and with your smudger brush and then with your blending brush, just blend the original shades on your lid and this black together. Blend, 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 blend till your hand hurts, till you reach what you want. Now I've just like rubbed off excess black, and I'm now taking the brown shade for my lower lash line, simply blending everything together, you guys, till you don't achieve the look that you want to. So this is very, very simple, literally, guys. It's as simple as that. So yeah, next up, I'm using these Hang Fanke glitters. This comes in 2 sets, A and B. I'm using set number B, and I'm using this beautiful color to actually pop up my inner corners. Whenever I'm doing like smoky eyes, I like to use some sort of glitter either on the lid or in the inner corners. Now using pencil brush from Beautify by Amna, और मैं इसे inner corner को blend कर लूँगी. Whatever is excess on the brush, I'll just highlight my brow bone with it. So yeah, next a black pencil for my upper waterline to tight line, because we'll be putting on heavy lashes. Then a white pencil softly, lightly in the lower waterline. Now Marc Jacobs mascara, I'm going to be doing normal mascara on one side, and I'm going to be using this lancom mascara primer for the other eye to see the difference. Now after doing this, let me tell you, yeah, this did give me an extra dimension, maybe because it was an extra coat, that's why, but a double layer of a good mascara will work. You don't have to invest in this expensive product, but it does work. Okay, now this is the time for lashes. So I'm gonna be popping on the lash bar lashes, and with the duo glue I'm gonna be doing one lash off camera, and I'll teach you how to do false lashes on the other eye. Now just apply a very thin layer of your lash glue on the lash band. Make sure it stays on the lash band, don't mess it all over the lashes. Okay, once you're done with that, let it dry a little bit and let it become tacky. Then just take it from the top and stick from the top, then adjust your outer corner, then your inner corner, stick both your fake and your real lashes together, and using a curler just curl your lashes. This will make everything super comfortable. आपको heavy नहीं लगेंगी, irritate नहीं करेंगी. It will open up your eyes. It will stick your fake and original lashes together, so it will become really comfortable. Mascara on the lower lash line. This is how we look. Yeah. Next, just highlighting with the Beautify by Amna's highlighter palette. I love this palette. I love the shades. Using this angled brush from Beautify by Amna, I'm going to be taking these 2 shades and just highlight. Now I'm going to be using my setting spray. This is the Anastasia's glowy setting spray. Love it. I love the mist. It smells so good, and it melts and settles everything so beautifully. The look looks gorgeous. The skin looks gorgeous. Oh my god, I love it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. How you like this look? I loved how it turned out. And with that being said, if you like my video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and comment down below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my Instagram, and I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, love you all.